Hi, Dale Landry again. This time we're shooting the same Glock 9mm, model 19, with the Liberty Mystic. Mystic's a little bit heavier, nearly the same size overall and width-wise as the Infinity, and we shall see how this one works. It's probably going to sound about the same. Still, I don't think I managed to get the bright powder in here. I think I'm a little above supersonic speed. It definitely knocks the kick out of the Glock. As you all know, if you got a Glock, they will hammer your hands.